Hello, everybody. Today I am going to show you how to make Reviro, a traditional food that is eaten in some parts of the Paraguayan territory. For its preparation, we need 1 kilogram of flour, water, salt, oil, and an egg. The egg is optional since it is not used in the traditional recipe. First, we add the flour in the container. Well, also we also break the egg and pour all its content over the flour. Here we have the flour and the egg. Then we add a little salt. We we are adding water as we mix the dough. The dough should be well mixed and soft in consistency. Make sure you don't add too much water so it doesn't become too mushy or absorb too much oil. We put oil in the pot and let it heat up while we continue to mix the dough. Here the oil. When the oil is very hot, we pour the dough that we had prepared in the pot. Like this. We are turning it until it is well golden. When we notice that the dough is well golden, we break it with the wooden spoon. With the wooden spoon, we continue turning until the Reviro is divided into many little pieces. This is the process. Break it, break it, break it. With the wooden spoon, we continue turning until the Reviro is divided into many little pieces. We continue cooking until the bits are very small. Break it, break it, break it, break it. This is the process. Keep going on breaking it. These look very good. Finally, we removed the Reviro from the heat and we can serve it and eat it with a delicious hot made cocido.